Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And as usual, after the launch of the iPhone 15 Pro Max and after its delivery, we're covering a series of accessories for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And today we're going to be looking at a Ringke Onyx case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is a case I purchased on Amazon UK and is from the same brand that gave us the Ringke Fusion-X case that I've been using since the day it launched. So packaging is pretty simple. It's a plastic bag. Very light in terms of what actual materials are used. It's just as I said, a plastic bag. So I'm going to rip it open, and here is the Ringke Onyx case I ordered. With the phone case, you get a leaflet with discount codes on various Ringke products on Amazon. Ringke is a reliable Korean brand that I've been using for years. And if you check the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, you'll see quite a few products from them. Lots of different phones, but ultimately always phone cases because I find them quite good. And this one is fun. You'll see that this is a fun design. A few generic phrases on them, a bit of Ringke branding, a barcode, smile, have a bright day, look at me, I'm Mr. Meeseeks. Oh no, it doesn't say I'm Mr. Meeseeks, but it's got a little flower on it, smiling one, sending smiles, everything's looking up, little rainbow, give up crossed out, feeling good. So it's a feel-good case from Ringke. So let's just pop my iPhone 15 Pro Max for Enterprise Edition in. There we go. So it's now in place. And did I get a notification there? No. Okay, so the case is now on my phone, and in terms of feel, it is very, very slim. There's very little in terms of thickness to it. It doesn't add much bulk to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now if we look at the camera module, it does give it a very little lift, around about 1 millimeter, maybe 2, from the camera module, which means that if you put it down on a surface, it will sit nicely. It's also designed in such a way that it doesn't wobble particularly much compared to putting the iPhone down on its back normally. So it's a nice even case. Essentially they've covered up, or they've reduced the camera bump there, which is handy. And in terms of cutouts, there's nothing at the top. See, nothing there. At the bottom we have the asymmetric speaker and microphone grills and that USB Type-C cutout, all as expected. On the sides we just have a cutout for a lanyard loop, so you can wear this case with a lanyard if you wish to. There's also the power button stick out, which works as expected. There is no stickiness to that button. And speaking of stickiness, let's test out the volume rocker, which works as expected. No stickiness there either. And the quick action button, the programmable button on the iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15. Let's see if that works as expected. Yes, it does. So you can see that it's just launched my camera app straight from the get-go. So all working as expected. I'm happy with that. Now in terms of lift for the screen, so the bezel on the screen itself, there is not much of a lift. It feels as if it's actually less than 1 millimeter. So if you are going to be using this case and putting it face down on a surface, I would recommend you get a screen protector for it. But apart from that, this case offers decent protection. It feels good in the hand, and it has all the right cutouts in the right places. So as usual, I'll leave a link in the description to this video where you can purchase this case from Ringke on Amazon. If you have any further questions or you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, accessories, gadgets, anything we think makes the travel experience better. But anyway, for now, thanks for watching if you made it this far, and goodbye from me.